So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. And then you want to expand software. And then you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows NT. You want to scroll down. And expand Windows NT. Now you want to expand current version. And now you want to scroll down and expand profile list. Scroll down, expand profile list. And then once you expand profile list, you're going to be getting some subfolders right here. So I'm going to click on the first one. You want to go to the subfolder which has profile image path and ref counts under it. So I have it in this first one. In the second one I don't. I've only got profile image path. There is no ref count. Second one also. And third one as well. So now this means that the first one is what I'm going to go to because it has profile image path and it has ref count. And then once we're here, now you want to double click on ref count. This will open up. The value data might be 1 by default. Whichever number it is, you just want to delete it and then type in 0. So in the value data box, make sure that it says 0 and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Then once you complete both these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.